Okay, we're going to show you how we use the scrubber squeegee on the higher glass here. As you can see, you just scrub and squeegee, and we're using a 20-inch squeegee there. And now we'll show you a bit bigger glass, and you can see the sign just behind there. We've got to clean behind there as well. I've just wetted the glass and I'll scrub it the first half like this. Take note, I'm stepping side on to the glass. You can use the squeegee much easier with the Concavex disc on it. It manoeuvres much easier than if you had a standard wagtail swivel. As you can see, we've done the first half here, and now we'll scrub this side, behind the sign carefully, of course. Scrub the bottom. Right, now squeegee behind the sign like this, carefully of course, back and behind it again, and now you can just do the rest like this and then finish it off like this, and that's how it's done. I suppose, well, that's about it.